Hi everyone, in this tutorial I am going to tell you how you can get rid of this Telegram issue. It is a very common problem that many users are facing right now. The main reason for this error is sending the large amount of spam messages and joining the unusual group can ban your phone number easily. But if you want to get rid of this situation, you just need to follow my steps carefully so that you can again use your Telegram without changing your number. As you can see, here it is showing the same issue in my Telegram application. In this pop-up, you will see a help button. Click into it. After clicking into it, you will automatically redirect it to your Gmail application, and you will see this type of menu. Now, on the top right hand side, you will see a send button. Click on the send button. Now, after some days, the Telegram will automatically fix your phone number and you can again use your Telegram without changing your phone number. That was the whole process for this tutorial. I hope this video helped you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so that you can find more useful tips and tricks daily. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.